All right, y'all, we're gonna make creamy garlic and chicken veggies. We're starting with 2 pounds of chicken that I chopped up. And this is gonna be a nice, healthy one today. I chopped up 1 organic zucchini, 1 organic bell pepper, and 1, you got it, organic broccoli head. A lot of chicken and veggies today. Once you got all your veggies and your chicken in there, go ahead and drizzle it with some olive oil. Not a bunch, maybe about a tablespoon worth, maybe a little more. And then we're going to throw in 3 cloves of minced garlic and proceed with our seasonings. We put 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, just a little bit of chili powder. You can do more if you want. My acid reflux can't handle it. Some salt. I do pink salt because it's a little more potent. And you guessed it, some pepper. Grind that thing out. Once you got your pepper in there, we're going to move over to our liquid creamy mixture. We're going to put 1/2 cup of chicken broth. I did Kettle Fire chicken broth. It's a great brand if you want to check it out at the store. Also 1 can of coconut milk. And then we're going to also throw in, this may be new to some of y'all, nutritional yeast. You should be able to find it at your store. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, as well as 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Once you got all that in there, go ahead and whisk it together. All right, once you got it nice and whisked together, go ahead and pour your creamy mixture all over your chicken and veggies. Pardon my sniffles, I'm getting over a cold today, which is why it's very important to eat something nice and healthy like this. Once you have your creamy liquid mixture, we are going to put our lid on, and you're going to want to cook this on high for 2 to 3 hours. All right, and after 2 to 3 hours, you got this beauty right here. Go ahead and just give it a stir around. All right, and once you give that a nice stir around, this thing is ready to try. So you can eat it as is if you want a low carb, or my wife and I are going to eat it over some rice tonight. So let's dig in. Look at that. Look at that. Moment of truth, y'all. Let's see. Some chicken, some broccoli. This is great, folks. Y'all, you don't have to skimp on taste to eat something healthy. Try this at home. Trust me. Really good.